wewe pole pole tu.
This time around, niturenda andu very serious makoro maundu aya nigetha tutige kuona mathina macio tukimaface. By the way, tungiga factories guku tukuthina mbere kwandika the young people. Issue unemployment ni tukubota kumisolve through having these factories in this country.
We would want to have a sitting with the people who are concerned with agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture. How can we afford, or how can we allow our farmers, or how can we get subsidized fertilizers and insecticides to our farmers? That must be done. Otherwise, we cannot continue working the way we have been working.
Kwa guno twende mundu kuthi parliament akaringa metha akuga ati agicugu mekwenda mabewe bonus iganona niguo mundu abote kumenyerera mucii wake na abote kuthomithia ciana na abote gukora na development thiini wa mucii wake.